somebody came through, they didn't like what we was doing, because they asked what we was doing, so I told them.
There's a speaker on
like,
this.
Don't do it.
On this wall, and you can choose words or even sentences. So if you'd like to speak through this, you can do.
So is there any spirits there?
Anti-clockwise.
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 Yeah. So we're standing here, you go anti-clockwise.
Oh. And you just said that something kept passing.
Continue.
Oh yeah. Well, that weren't me. I'm too far away. Well, where are you, Morgan?
I've never had that one.
It might have been mine. So he was stood there.
And then
Yeah,
you
went
walked
over
round,
there.
didn't you? So yeah, it could have been you. Why?
I've never had that.
What?
It's like a tingling all over you, the whole of your body just goes ding, like
That's
electricity.
their energy, and that light's just been on. That's their energy meeting yours.
That one's just
That's
Oh, thank you.
Another room.
another room.
Can you do it with the cat balls?
Are we in?
Another room.
I do want to see them cat balls like that.
Oh,
So
it's been
great.
amazing. It's been amazing.
Yeah, so
Really.
pretty.
It's been great tonight.
See, I can't see that
Are
reflective
you in
light.
another room?
Okay.
Did you say you're in another room,
Oh,
Spirit?
there's loads of balls coming forward. Yeah, that reflective light's gone.
So I can see it with the naked eye though.
I can't.
I can see it from here.
Oh, yeah, hang on. Oh,
Thank you, Spirit. I'm going to say, I've just stepped back. I feel it. I feel like, I don't know, I'm like floating. It's not nasty or negative.
could have fun on you.
Stop it.
Stop it. Oh my God, that's on through. Yes,
What's that?
stop it.
Stop what?
What do you want us to stop? Do you want us to stop doing this? Or was it because we was talking amongst ourselves?
Yeah, because sometimes if we're trying to talk to you and then we break up and start talking to ourselves, we turn it off.
Moist.
Moist. It is moist out there.
It's very moist. You know, when you walk around with the camera, it is foggy.
It is.
More.
More.
More what?
What do you want more?
More.
More. Again. More of what?
Do you want more talking? I can't stand it.
I think it was my crystals.
Are you in this archway? Are you in this? Is it
Cloister.
cloister? Are you in this cloister?
Usually that's on fire with sentences and words and
Oops, they've come in.
oh wow.
Another one.
That's just fine. That's fine at the same time.
Come in.
Yeah.
Are all the spirits
Right,
coming into this?
she's
Francis.
Francis.
Is that your name?
Francis. We have a Francis.
Hello,
with us.
Francis.
How old are you, Francis? Can you tell us your age on here? Francis, would you like to talk to us?
Something spoke.
Wow, that was a big word.
Something spoke.
I heard
I
something.
thought it was.
I thought it was the ex-com.
Did you hear it?
Yeah, I heard something. I thought it was the ex-com. That's why I thought you was reading it, and then I was just going to lean forward to see what it said. Another one.
Oh, massive spike.
Freaking no.
Massive.
That's how it's been when you was under the Estes.
Wow, thank
Hello.
you for that.
Is that Francis that's touching that?
Would you like to speak through this?
Stop recording.
Why have we got to stop recording?
Why? Do you not like us recording?
Are you camera shy?
This isn't recording you. It's actually allowing you to speak. That's just gone off again.
Doubt. What are you doubting us?
What do you doubt?
We mean no harm, we come in peace. Is Francis still here? Francis?
Bearing in mind, this has got no signal to it. Because it's on aeroplane mode.
If Francis is
So
here,
then you know it is spirit talking.
Peaceful.
Peaceful.
what one?
And that light came on as she said peaceful. Yes, we come in peace.
I can't leave.
Well, I'm sorry about that. I really am. Why can't you leave?
You won't understand.
Try us.
We
Why
might, if
don't you
tell us.
just tell us?
We might be able to help you.
Why don't you give us a go? We may be able to help you.
That can't be me.
What have I got in my hand now? What have I got in my hand? Wow, spiked again. Massive spike. Oh, wow. Wow.
I'm confused.
Why are you confused? Why are you confused? Do you know that you've passed on from this realm? Did you choose to stay here? There are so many orbs going. Police.
Why?
No, we're not police.
We're not police.
That's only the second time that's come up.
Yeah. Because what was it last time they came up with the police? They was going to phone the police or something, wasn't it?
They said police, then scientist, which I've never had.
Yeah.
And then a name came up.
We're not police, we are investigators, but we're not police investigators.
We're just studying. True. We're just studying what happens to spirits. Well,
Not exactly.
What happens to us when we pass? Do we not go to heaven?
What is it like where you are?
Why do you choose to walk the earth still? Why do you remain here?
Don't come in.
No, we're not going to. Are you in the church? Where are you? Ooh, thousands.
I know, that's what I was just looking for.
They should be in that
Look for one,
bag.
but then I thought, well, hang on, they're already talking to us through that, so.
They should be in there. Yeah, they are.
Yeah.
We'll do them in a minute then.
Yeah.
So, do you know what I've got in my hand? I'd love it if you said it.
My head's just got tingly on top.
That's. What does it? Is it just tingly or does it feel like your hair is slightly moving?
Yeah, you know, like when you
Yeah.
put a brush through it,
Yeah.
like it's being painted on top.
You're actually being stroked by a spirit.
Can I leave my hair alone? Please.
Are you standing near Jim? I can't believe that we've not had any bad balls go off.
No. You know
I
what?
can't
think they're
believe
getting
it.
used to us.
No, but I've got some of that, like
Stroking you.
like that on my hand there.
Yeah. We don't.
Absolutely.
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 Scientist. And what did I? Oh
Yeah.
my.
No, we're not scientists.
I'm not a scientist.
Now, what are the odds of that?
I know. We're not scientists.
I
We
know,
are
but it
investigators
It
for
still feels like it's stroking my finger.
spirits.
Really?
That hand. It's like
We
tingly. Just
we
the.
usually
Yeah.
let them, don't we? It's when they start hurting.
Yeah.
I don't mind as long as you don't touch my hair. I'm not bothered.
It's
not my hair.
it's not nice when they
No.
hurt your back.
No,
Just
it
not
isn't
my hair.
That
horrible.
really
You
does
will
hurt.
get it. I never thought I would, but
It really
Oh,
does.
yeah.
It feels like.
Oh, look.
You know,
Glow.
It
Oh,
feels like, you know, when
Low.
little kids holding your hand and the stroke, like, yeah.
wow,
whoa.
wow, the bloody orbs that came in then. Wow, look at that lot.
Hello. You want to straighten them back for me? You want to put that back for me? No. Can you put it back for me?
Can you hold them?
Putting it to the door.
You're holding that one down,
I know.
but you shouldn't. It's not going to, you need to,
Are you saying you're behind me? If you're saying you're behind me, can you straighten these rods up, please?
can you hold them like that? Marvin, can you hold them like that? So then,
Surgeon.
yeah.
No, we're not a surgeon.
If you could do it like, say, there, and then you'll come up. Yeah? And
Play with it, I feel
we'll,
it.
we'll ask the questions. In fact, I'm going to ask it. So
Mine
hold
come.
them, so, no, they're all, so they're pointing forward, yeah. So ask them,
Did that in there.
why is that K2 off? Why is that off? Oh no.
It does.
Yeah. Well,
Straighten the rods for me, please.
can you straighten the rods forward, please? Bring the rods straight together. Bring them together.
Straighten the rods, please.
That light's just come on and you've not even moved.
Straighten the rods, please.
Wow. Massive spike.
Below.
Below.
Can you straighten the rods for me, please? Straighten the rods, please.
Can you straighten the rods, please? So they're together.
Straighten the rods, please.
Can you put them back to next to each other?
They really do not want to know.
If you're behind me, straighten the rods.
Shovel.
Below and then shovel. So are you saying that you was buried? Are you buried here? There's a little black box on the headstone over there. If you'd like to walk in front of it, it will buzz to make a buzzing sound.
What did they say it was going to do? What did Gail say when she was under the Estes? It's going to rain.
Yeah, it's raining.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's been
You
raining
are-
for the past couple of
Okay.
minutes.
No way. Right, do you want me to try?
Do not.
Do not. Okay. Gail's having a go.
Well, she hasn't come out with it. I was holding a black.
I'm going to say, do you want us to move the camera back a little bit so you can stand in there so you don't, more to the edge here so you don't get wet?
Oh yeah, hang on, hold on this coat, Hey, you know when I was under the Estes?
Yeah?
Yeah, it felt like that I'd got a hood
Really?
over me.
Wow.
And I felt really warm as well.
Doing the same to you.
This is...
I told you, it's weird, isn't it?
Yeah.
I was there, it shone to the back of me. I stood there, it went to the back of me and it's gone that way. That's why I've shook them and then started again.
Bring them straight, please. Bring them straight. We'd like to talk to you this way. Please. Bring them straight, please. Wow, we've never had this.
Sunrise.
This is amazing.
I know.
And do you know something?
You can feel it.
It's almost like there's a force there
Yeah.
as well.
You can feel it pulling that way.
Yeah. It is weird.
Why is it going?
Whoa.
Why is it going those two ways though?
I can actually feel the
Plausible.
force.
Plausible. What's plausible?
We have never had this, ever.
Can we straighten the rods, please? Please,
Ever have I had this.
can you straighten those rods, please, that Gail's holding? Come on, line them up straight, please.
Would you point them to Marvin, please? Point them to Marvin. Wow. Mind you, they actually used to find water with these.
I know, but we haven't had like that here.
No.
We always use them in the same place so that we don't get that.
Dolls.
Yes, there's a doll.
Oh
Yes,
my God.
we do have a doll. Would you like to touch the doll?
Would you like to touch it? She'll just make a noise.
Witchcraft.
No.
No, we're not
No.
doing any witchcraft.
We don't do no evilness or no negativity. There's no witchcraft. We don't believe in witchcraft.
This is mental. It's insane.
Or is it because it has rained and they've got wet and it's just sent
I'm stuck.
Stuck where?
Where are you stuck?
Wow, that's never come through. Oh, that lit up then.
Can
It
you-
just flickered.
Can you tell us why you're stuck?
Which way are you standing? Show me which way you're standing. Do you know, I cannot believe that these have gone like this.
No.
Never, ever have I had this from these. Ever. This is basically, I am not cooperating. This is a refusal.
Who was assaulted?
You are annoying.
Been told that a few times.
Oh, we apologise for being annoying. Assault. When we mean no assault, we don't mean to be annoying.
I've never had that either.
I don't need this.
I don't need this.
Okay, you don't need this, but
You don't need what?
are you referring to all three of us
Wow, that just spiked a
or
red.
one individual? Can you answer that one for us? All three or one individual? Who's annoying? Am I annoying? I've been told I'm funny tonight.
It's still doing each end.
I know.
Am I annoying?
Is Jin annoying? Okay, it leaves one more person. Is Gail annoying? Do you feel you're being assaulted by Gail?
Can you remember that time when I placed these like that and there was swinging?
Yeah.
Can you remember?
Oh, but my
And it was
torch.
like this.
I had
it
my
was
torch as well.
literally like that.
I stood here like that. My torch was like that. You wanting to
I'm gonna
talk to
hold
us?
these purposely, see if it points.
It does make me... I told you, back to that door, look. One is neither behind
Oh
us.
my God, and I am holding my thumb on the rods.
I know. If there's
No
water,
way.
it doesn't do that. Water, they cross for water. That's what they're for. You go up to it and then they cross when they get water. So to go like that is weird, but it keeps going behind us. It went behind me, it's gone behind you.
Now hold them together. Get that.
I know, it's as though it's trying to push to get...
Get that.
Don't say it. Okay, spirits, can you explain these for us, please?
That has pointed to all three of us.
Are you communicating with these rods saying that all three of us are being annoying?
That has just pointed to all me, then you, and then it swung round and went
What
to
happened to
you.
me?
What happened to you?
You tell us.
We don't know. Can you explain to us how you feel and where you are? Are you in this graveyard? Are you
Chat.
buried in this graveyard?
Chat.
We chat with everybody. We like chatting. That's what we're here for. So that people that have maybe passed on can actually communicate with the living.
Light-headed. Ooh.
It's gone again. K2's going red. Any spirits want to talk to us? We've used the rods, we've put them away.
I am so shocked that, no cat
We
balls
don't need
have
to hold
gone
it, do
off.
we?
That teapot, it usually read off. Yeah, I'm going to turn that off.
Are you going to turn it off?